pen, book, notebook. I use a pen to write. I use a pen to write. I read a book. I read a book. I write in my notebook. I write in my notebook. Pencil, board, desk. I draw with a pencil. I draw with a pencil. The teacher writes on the board. The teacher writes on the board. I sit at my desk. I sit at my desk. Teacher, student, school. I listen to the teacher. I listen to the teacher. I am a student. I am a student. I go to school every day. I go to school every day. Bag, TV, fan. I carry books in my bag. I carry books in my bag. I watch TV at night. I watch TV at night. I use a fan when it is hot. I use a fan when it is hot. Lamp, camera, phone. I turn on the lamp. I turn on the lamp. I take photos with my camera. I take photos with my camera. I call my friend with the phone. I call my friend with the phone. Computer, radio, tablet. I use a computer at school. I use a computer at school. I listen to music on the radio. I listen to music on the radio. I play games on my tablet. I play games on my tablet. Clock, soap, toothbrush. I check the time on the clock. I check the time on the clock. I wash my hands with soap. I wash my hands with soap. I use a toothbrush every morning. I use a toothbrush every morning. Toothpaste, shampoo, shower. I put toothpaste on my toothbrush. I put toothpaste on my toothbrush. I wash my hair with shampoo. I wash my hair with shampoo. I take a shower in the morning. I take a shower in the morning. Toilet, towel, comb. I go to the toilet. I go to the toilet. I dry my face with a towel. I dry my face with a towel. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. Cup, plate, spoon. I drink tea in a cup. I drink tea in a cup. I eat rice from a plate. I eat rice from a plate. I eat soup with a spoon. I eat soup with a spoon. Fork, knife, bowl. I use a fork to eat pasta. I use a fork to eat pasta. I cut bread with a knife. I cut bread with a knife. I put rice in a bowl. I put rice in a bowl. Fridge, pan, stove. I keep milk in the fridge. I keep milk in the fridge. I cook eggs in a pan. I cook eggs in a pan. I cook on the stove. I cook on the stove. Salt. Rice. Bottle. I add salt to my food. I add salt to my food. I eat rice every day. I eat rice every day. I drink water from a bottle. I drink water from a bottle. Shirt. Pant. Shoes. I wear a blue shirt. I wear a blue shirt. I put on my pants. I put on my pants. I wear shoes outside. I wear shoes outside. Hat. Jacket. Door. I wear a hat in the sun. I wear a hat in the sun. I wear a jacket when it is cold. I wear a jacket when it is cold. I open the door. I open the door. Window. Bed. Mirror. I look outside the window. I look outside the window. I sleep on the bed. I sleep on the bed. I look in the mirror. I look in the mirror. House. Room. Kitchen. I live in a house. I live in a house. I clean my room. I clean my room. I clean the kitchen. I clean the kitchen. Bus. Car. Bike. I take the bus to town. I take the bus to town. My father drives a car. My father drives a car. I ride my bike. I ride my bike. Road. Bridge. Money. I walk on the road. I walk on the road. I cross the bridge. I cross the bridge. I pay with money. I pay with money. Store. Market. Cart. I go to the store. I go to the store. I buy food at the market. I buy food at the market. I push the cart at the shop. I push the cart at the shop. Tree. Flower. Sun. I sit under the tree. I sit under the tree. I see a red flower. I see a red flower. I like the sun. I like the sun.